Hi. Need to add a logo or image to a PDF. Here's how to insert any picture into an existing PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Navigate to the target page, then select the Edit tab. Expand Add Images and select Image from File. Choose the image and click Open. You can resize and reposition the image directly with your mouse. Right-click the image to open its formatting menu. Here, you can instantly access essential tools for arranging, copying, resizing, and rotating. For advanced features, open the Image Formatting Context tab. This panel provides settings for fine-tuning your image's look and placement within your document. To delete an image from the Edit tab, expand Edit Object and select Image. Then, select the image on the page and press the Delete key.